Um, I think the most important thing is what the art exhibition is for. आज इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे है, तो यहाँ पर 16 आर्टिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने अपना काम शोकेस किया है, और जो भी यहाँ पर सेल होगा उसके जो प्रोसीड्स हैं या पार्ट प्रोसीड्स हैं वो एक एनजीओ को जाएंगे जो बहुत मतलब एक्सलेंट काम, बेहतरीन काम कर रहे हैं इन द एरिया ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, टू स्नेहा. So it's a wonderful gesture and there's wonderful art, as you can see. It's always nice to be around good art.
सर और कुछ विश देना चाहेंगे सर आप वुमेंस को आज वुमेंस डे?
हाँ, मतलब मैं एक्चुअली अपने सोशल मीडिया पे विश मतलब क्या करूँ, मैं हैप्पी विमेंस डे बोल सकते हैं इसके लिए, मगर वन डे इज़ नॉट रियली द क्रूशल थिंग in thinking about women or thinking about the importance of women or the relevance of women or the value of women, in your life or in the world. But let's use this day, I guess, as just some kind of a milestone where we can look back on the year and see how far we've come vis-a-vis issues that have been plaguing this half of the world's population for quite a while.
फरहान, काफी टाइम बाद आपको नॉन बियर्डेड लुक में देख रहे हैं हम, एंड यू लुक रियली स्मार्ट.
Without my beard?
या दिस लुक.
आपने पहले कहा क्यों नहीं? I would have shaved earlier. Okay, thank you.
Is this for a new movie or something?
No, it's still for Rock On. We finished the majority of the work in the look that you don't like. We finished most
No,
of
it's
that.
not that I don't
Acha,
like, but this is more smart.
Acha, okay, thank you. So in my less smart look, we finished most of the work, and now we have like a week's work left in which I need to be clean shaven. So this is still for the same film.
So talking about International Women's Day, do you think we've achieved that milestone in terms of Bollywood or in generally?
I think it's very unfair to just single movies out, because they're always an easy target to kind of comment on. But the fact is that they reflect what's happening around us also on some level. So it's important to, I feel that there is progress being made, and I feel that every year the awareness of what is going on around us, the desire to find solutions, and now actually taking concrete steps towards I would say as a society, a united society, to try and find solutions. That's something that's a very, very ongoing and on top of everyone's mind. And I feel that awareness is a great place to start. Earlier nobody spoke about it openly. It was always brushed under the carpet or never thought it was important enough for men to be discussing women's problems. And now none of that applies. So I feel that that's a great place to be at.
Also, Farhan, earlier, like before this, I had asked you about Dawn 3 and you told me अब तक कुछ नहीं हुआ है, but अब finally बातें हो रही है Dawn 3 की. तो
I get very nervous about saying anything about Dawn 3 because no matter what I say, people go about 17 steps ahead of me, every single time. It's like Dawn. They become Dawn. You think you can outguess what they're going to take from
you're
your
really
interview.
excited about Dawn.
Absolutely. I'm very excited about Dawn. Now see, that'll become the thing. Even I'm very excited about Dawn. ऐसा हो जाएगा कुछ. So let me write it. I think the important thing is firstly to write it. I have finally decided there's a thought that I have that I want to start writing. I'm already been asking when I'm going to start shooting before I've written one single word. So I'll take my time and I'll do it. And there is an excitement and I appreciate it tremendously. Like everywhere I go, people do ask me about Dawn, when am I going to do it? So I appreciate that. And I'm very grateful for the fact that people are anticipating the film as and when it will happen. But it takes time.
So nothing like Priyanka won't be a part.
See, it had to come in, something or the other. I don't know. I haven't written a single word. Yeah.
Okay. Also, Farhan, 2016 has not.
I want to know in 2018 on the 22nd of July, what are you going to be doing?
Why?
Because exactly, you don't know. No? Even I don't know what is going to happen in the future. So let me write first. Huh?
Okay. Also, coming back, 2016 has not been a great year for you. It has not started on a good note for you.
Why?
So we have met you after we have got the report about your parting with Aduna. So
Right. Yeah, but it's happened in a mutual way, and that's all really I'd like to say about that.
thank you.
Yeah?
Can we ask you something about the art?
Yes, I think that would be actually a great thing, which is why we're here.
What do you think about the synergy of like art and fashion coming together? Do you think it works? Would you wear something that an artist has?
Well, I don't know what y'all would think of me if I started wearing anything out of these shirts.
Why the shirt
y'all
you're
might-
wearing right now?
No,
is like-
what I'm wearing personally is when you say, would I wear anything from? No, but I mean, eventually both are artistic mediums. Whether you're designing clothes or you're painting, it's eventually your imagination and you're creating something out of your aesthetic sense. So there is a similarity. So you'll always feel, like there is a certain synergy between the two things. Both have a lot of emphasis on form, on color, on shape, on how it makes you feel, you know, even when you look at it. So it's very similar on that level, but in different forms of artistic expression. So yeah, of course, there's a synergy.
And what did you think about our store and how it looks like, and whether the art merged with the general concept of the store?
Well, you know, if I had a little more time to just kind of walk around by myself and really take in the vibe, it would have been really nice. But yeah, whenever between the excuse me's, I think it felt quite good, right?
So maybe like not a question I should be asking, but would you buy any of the art you see here?
Yes, I think I will.
Thank you.
So I had one more question. I just want, like, we are making a special on Amir Khan's birthday, so I just wanted you to say something about Amir, you know, like just your views about Amir since you worked with Amir.
Yeah, sure. I mean, firstly, I'd like to wish him. Which camera is it? This one? It
Yeah,
doesn't
this
matter. Yeah. So, firstly, I think most importantly, happy birthday to you, Amin. And it really has been a tremendous start for me in terms of the first film that I worked on, that I had an opportunity to work with somebody like you. There's a lot that I've learned from you, and there's a lot that I've learned about commitment from you, you know, when it comes to making films. So, I'm very, very thankful. And all the best. I mean, every single year you go from strength to strength, and I just hope that keeps happening with every single year. And be unstoppable like you always have been.
Thank you.
मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम आज की इस आर्ट गैलरी के बारे में?
ये एक्चुअली आर्ट गैलरी नहीं है, स्टोर है. फैशन आउटफिट्स यहाँ पर मिलते हैं. A lot of multi-designer brands are here, and they're very beautifully displayed, as you can see. And we wanted to collaborate with a store which has clothes and, you know, accessories for women. So we decided to do a joint event with them, and we've put our artwork. We have 16 artists over here with us. They're all women artists, and some are self-taught, some have been trained artists. And they are very happy to put this work up here because part of the proceeds are going to an NGO called Sneha, and they do some excellent work in the Dharavi slums for women and children. So we are hoping to make good sales here so we can help them the most we can.
This is the best thing we can do on an international
Absolutely,
stage.
absolutely. And by doing it with the passion that we feel for art, and of course the fashion just supplements the art so beautifully. So we are very, very happy to be here.
And also we are seeing a lot of support from the Bollywood industry as well.
Yes, yes. We are very blessed that they feel so connected to our art and of course to fashion, because you know how it is with them and the fashion. So it's great to have them as always.
So tell us, from where did this entire thing initiate? Like,
We wanted to support women artists because sometimes, you know, the artists, they're not able to fill a whole art gallery by themselves. It's very intimidating for an artist to put up so much work at one time. We came up with this concept of group art shows so that they can, you know, put up small amounts of work and yet feel like they've done their bit to contribute to the art world. So, and we hope that they grow from strength to strength, that they are able to do fabulous work in the future, and a lot of them go on to do solo shows. So,
yeah, please continue.
yeah, no, that's what we're hoping for in the near future.
So I was just about to ask that, you know, do you think women get their share of, you know, what do you call as
Acclaim from
acclaim? Yeah,
yes.
maybe acclaim.
I think yes, you can see today they have been very excited to put their work up, and we normally do a lot of shows to support women artists. And we have some very, very talented artists. We have different mediums of art. We have, some amazing, amazing talent. And we are very happy. Nothing gives us more pleasure than to put this work up.
And we can see that on your
Yes.
face.
Thank you.
And totally, it's women with wings.
Yes, totally. We want to give women the wings so nothing stops them.
Thank you.
We
so
want
much.
them to soar and zoom.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
सो मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम आज के इस एग्जीबिशन के बारे में?
The exhibition is for a good cause, and on this day, specific day, the proceeds of the sales of the paintings and will go to Sneha. So that's a good thing.
एंड वुमेंस डे भी है आज इंटरनेशनल
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, for me, it is nothing. There's nothing to say about International Women's Day for me. I feel every day I'm very happy to be a woman. So it's a celebration for me every day. So I don't need a special day to celebrate. Thank you.
सो मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस आर्ट एग्जीबिशन के बारे में आज?
ये अच्छी मिक्स है डिफरेंट मीडियम्स की एंड अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर न्यू आर्टिस्ट एंड जस्ट एस्टैब्लिश्ड आर्टिस्ट टू शोकेस एंड आई थिंक ये जो क्लोथ्स दुकान में है दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस वेन्यू अनयूजुअल पीपल आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग टू सी आर्ट ओवर हियर सो दैट्स ऑलवेज अ नाइस चेंज
सो मैम कैसा लगा सारी गैलरीज आपने देखी?
इन कंपैरिजन ये गैलरीज वर्सेस दूसरी
नहीं मैम ये वाली जो है आर्ट एग्जीबिशन जो आपने देखा तो कैसी लगी आपको?
वेरी नाइस लॉट ऑफ दीज आर्टिस्ट के साथ तो ऑलरेडी मैं एग्जिबिट कर चुकी हूँ सो आई नो देयर वर्क एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वर्क आई थिंक
इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे भी है उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
वेल हैप्पी वुमेंस डे टू एवरीबडी एंड आई थिंक advancement for women is what's needed, so yeah, all the best.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.